They're in the gate. They're off and running. Quick start for Smart Sharif up the inside of the front. Moo Man flashing early speed to the outside. Gaelic Storm racing third. Master Mizzen down at the hedge in the fourth spot. This Is That is moving up in heavy traffic. Hurrah's next to the far outside comes Patriot Game. A length and three-quarters back to Menashe Gold and 4. Back to Ellerton, who trails on the first turn. Smart Sharif and Robbie Alvarado the lead and the hedge in front by a length and a half now. Moo Man tracking intently second. Then it's Gaelic Storm third. Master Mizzen down on the inside, saving every inch of ground in fourth. This Is That fifth by an Hurrah in the sixth spot. Menashe Gold advancing through on the inside now, and Patriot Game next by 5, and Ellerton at the back is a good 14 lengths off the lead through the opening quarter in 23-3, and up the backside Smart Sharif in charge, leading it by 2 now. Moo Man next by a length and three-quarters. Master Mizzen's in third. Gaelic Storm's racing in fourth. This Is That moves 3 wide fifth. Menashe Gold is mired in heavy traffic along the inside, then Hurrah, Patriot Game, and 7 or 8 back to Ellerton, who's starting to lose touch with the field. Rounding the far turn, half in 47 2/5 seconds. Smart Sharif in front by 2 still. Moo Man racing in second. Master Mizzen is charging through an opening on the inside. Gaelic Storm ranging up nicely now, and here comes Menashe Gold on the far outside as they straighten away. Menashe Gold's kicked it into high gear down to the final furlong. Gaelic Storm goes on by Smart Sharif to take the lead. Master Mizzen and Menashe Gold on the outside, final 16th. Gaelic Storm digs down deep. Menashe Gold surging up to him. Gaelic Storm, Menashe Gold gonna be tight. Gaelic Storm and Menashe Gold. Noses apart, a head bob on the wire. 3 back to Master Mizzen third. Smart Sharif was fourth.